Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back to another exciting edition of the American Revolution, Lesson 12, with your host, me, Mrs. Inman. All right, boys and girls, you know you need your mentor text, a pencil, and a highlighter. Let's get this show on the road. All right, our learning goals today are: I can use context clues to determine the definitions of unfamiliar words. And I can use resources to confirm the definitions of the words, so like a dictionary. All right. All right, so context clues. I have highlighted comparing and contrasting relationships. That's what we're looking for here. So let's take a look at page 18. I have circled the word managed. Okay. A few colonial settlements and local native communities managed to get along. Well, now let's compare that and contrast that to what I have in the brackets. But other nations were treated cruelly by colonists and resented their loss of land, rights, and lives to the invaders. So, managed is to figure out a way. If you look at the sentence that I have circled, the word managed, some were comparing that. They were able to get along. And then you've got other nations that were not, because they were treated unfairly. They were treated cruelly. Okay, so comparing and contrasting those two things, it shows that managed, we figured out a way. They figured out a way to get along. All right, short lesson today. Your turn. What I want you to do is determine the meanings of neutral and regain in paragraph 3. Okay? You're going to use the compare and contrast context clues to help you to infer the meanings of the words, to help you figure out what the meanings of those words are. And then confirm your definitions in the dictionary. Okay? Refer back to the anchor chart if you need to. Take a few minutes to find those words and go ahead and do this. So pause here. All right, welcome back. Okay, so on page 20, I've circled the word regain. Okay? And I've bracketed lost. I'm comparing and contrasting, okay? So the Cherokee had lost a lot of territory to Europeans and wished to regain it. They lost it, but they want to regain it. Well, that means they want to get it back. And then I've circled the word neutral. So I've also bracketed 2 spots there, however, and then I've bracketed the nations of the Ohio territories joined forces with the British. So it says Seneca, Shawnee, and Delaware tried to stay neutral. Then it says however. So we're comparing and contrasting. However means it's contrasting what the word neutral is. The nations of the Ohio territories joined forces with the British. So not taking sides is what neutral means. The nations of the Ohio territories, they took a side. They took the British side. Where the 3 other tribes, they wanted to stay neutral. So, how did you do? Write those down if you haven't already. All right. Are you a 4, a 3, a 2, or a 1 that you can use context clues to determine the definition of the meanings of unfamiliar words, and that you can use a dictionary or other resources to confirm the correct definitions? Go ahead and write that number in, and I will see you again tomorrow.